Welcome to Chemistry Educational Academy. We are going to discuss about the stereoisomerism. In this video, we are going to discuss about the concept of stereoisomerism, classification of stereoisomerism, types of configurational isomerism with examples, difference between cis-trans and EZ isomerism with examples. The definition of stereoisomerism is the compound which have the same structural formula, same connectivity, but different spatial arrangement of atoms or groups in molecules are known as stereoisomers, and the phenomena is called stereoisomerism. See the example here. The first one is structural isomerism example. Structural isomerism also called as constitutional isomers, and second one is stereoisomers.
In structural isomerism, same molecular formula but the connectivity of atoms is different in a molecule is known as structural isomerism. See the first example. The molecular formula is C6H14. It gives two types of structures, that is 2-methyl pentane and 3-methyl pentane. The molecular formula same but the connectivity of atoms is called structural isomerism. In second structure, it is called stereoisomerism. The molecular formula is same and the structure is same but the spatial arrangement of atoms is called stereoisomerism. See the first example. In first example, one methyl group is above the plane of paper. It is shown in thick wedged line, and in second structure one methyl group is attached in below the plane of paper. It is shown in dashed wedge. So this is called stereoisomerism.
On the basis of nature of arrangement of atoms or groups, stereoisomers are further classified into two categories, that is configurational isomerism and second one is conformational isomerism. Configurational isomers, which are non-superimposable and non-interconvertible by rotation about a single bonds. So these isomers are called as configurational isomers. See the first example. If you take your left hand and right hand, put the left hand on the right hand, it is not superimposable. So this type of isomers is called configurational isomers. And second example, this is a chiral molecule. See here, the carbon is attached with 4 different molecules A, B, C, D. So the central atom is carbon. That carbon is called as chiral molecule. If you put chiral molecule in front of the mirror image not superimposable with original molecule. Configurational isomers are again divided into two types. First one is geometrical isomerism and second one is optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism, isomers which possess the same molecular formula but differ in the spatial arrangement of atoms or groups around the double bond, and the phenomena is called geometrical isomerism. And these isomers are formed due to restricted rotation of atoms or groups about a single bond, a covalent bond. Here covalent bond is restricted because of they are having the multiple bonds or cyclic compounds. If you take carbon-carbon double bond, the down bond is formed due to the sigma bond and above is formed due to the pi bond. So this sigma bond is formed by the headwise overlap of orbitals and the pi bond is formed due to the sidewise overlap of orbitals. So here the pi bond is restricted the rotation of compound. That is the reason compound is not possible to rotate through the bonds, because again this geometrical isomerism is divided into two types. First is cis trans isomerism and second one is EZ isomerism. The compound containing carbon-carbon double bond, if the identical atoms or groups lies on the same side of a pi plane, the stereoisomer is known as cis isomers, and if the identical atoms or groups lies on the opposite side of a pi plane, the stereoisomer is known as trans isomer. See the example. First one is called 1,2 dichloroethene. Functional group, that is chlorine, is attached in opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond. So this is called trans isomers. And the second one is called same identical atoms are presented in the same side. So this is called cis isomers. The minimum requirement for geometrical isomerism in alkenes that each carbon is bonded to different groups. If the carbon is bonded to different groups, then only it is possible for geometrical isomerism. In first example, we can see that the two carbons are attached with two different groups. And the first one is called cis and second one is trans. Cis means same identical atoms are presented in same side, and same identical atoms are presented in opposite side is called trans. Here one more thing is that if one carbon atom having identical atoms, so there is no possible of geometrical isomerism. See the second example. Here one carbon having one methyl group and one hydrogen, but second carbon having identical atoms, that is bromine. So here there is no possible of geometrical isomerism. This is most important thing. Second geometrical isomerism is EZ isomers. Z isomers means the compound have identical atoms in same side of the double bond is called Z isomers, or high priority groups or atoms which are attached opposite side of the double bond is called Z isomers. And E isomers means the identical atoms which are presented in opposite side of the double bond, or high priority groups which are attached opposite side of the double bond is called E isomers. See the example of geometrical isomers. The first one is called 1,2 dichloroethene. Here cis isomer, it is cis isomers means cis means identical atoms are presented in same side of the double bond, and it is also called as Z isomers. Z isomers means and cis isomers means is same, that is identical atoms are presented in the same side. And the second is trans 1,2 dichloroethene means trans means identical atoms or groups presented in opposite side of the double bond, and this is also called as E isomers. How we can identify E isomer and Z isomers? If the atom having 4 different atoms. Here one carbon is having bromine and hydrogen. Here higher priority is bromine, and second one is chlorine and fluorine. This is chlorine is the higher priority group. So the same high priority groups are presented in same side, that is called Z isomers. Here if higher priority groups are attached in opposite side, that is called E isomers. Once again, I am repeating the classification of isomers. This is most important. That is the reason I am repeating. Isomers is derived from two different words. Iso means same, mers means parts. So same parts, but it is the arrangement is different. So that is called isomers. These isomers are divided into two types. First one is structural isomers. Second one is stereoisomers. Here structural isomers are same molecular formula but different bonding patterns. Bonding pattern is different. Here stereoisomers means same structural formula, same bonding, but the orientation of atoms in space is different. So that is called stereoisomers. Structural isomers again divided into 6 types: chain isomers, position isomers, functional group isomers, metamers, tautomers, ring chain isomers. Configurational isomers are divided into two types: geometrical and optical isomers. Configurational isomers means the compound which are non-superimposable, not interconvertible by single bond. So that is called configurational isomers. And conformational isomers are we can rotate through the single bond. Here in this video we learned up to 6 trans and EZ isomers with examples. Remaining topic I will continue in my next video. If you have any doubt, you can please write in the comment section. These are some important questions regarding this topic. Try to answer these questions. If you have doubts, you can write in the comment section, and please subscribe, share, like my channel. Thank you.